fractional CO2 laser resurfacing. So this is good for acne scars, for fine lines and wrinkles. Also, they have good effects on the stretch marks. So it's usually done every month, mga 4 to 6 sessions. And you could see especially the stretch marks, talagang bumababa, halos parang nawawala na siya, no? So aside from that, we also do cryoelectrophoresis. So it's cryolifting and cryo-whitening. So we're the first one to do this immediately after fractional CO2 laser. Because some doctors, they practice laser lang. After that, wala na. So they please the patients na they have a stinging or burning sensation. So this one, it's first introduced by us. So we do the procedure immediately after to lessen the burning sensation. At the same time, it's our chance to infuse products like stem cells para mas mabilis mag-regenerate o mag-heal yung skin. So aside from that, what else do we do? Of course, the hair removal, the lasers, the peel, air dye. Oh, we also have the intradermal air dissection technique. So we also use another machine. It's good for wrinkles, for stretch marks, also for the scars. With this procedure, we introduce air. So pag na-introduce, makikita niya parang, parang lumalobo yung skin mo. So dahil dun sa injury na yun, nasa-stimulate niya yung collagen production. So like what Dr. Kwan said, kasi yung collagen needed para mag-firm or mag-lift up yung skin. We also do a non-laser skin resurfacing. Mas meron rin siya. Dr. Ali. Thank you. So, yung non-laser skin resurfacing naman, it's an aqua peel procedure, no? So, with this procedure, it's like microdermabrasion or yung diamond peel. In difference, habang napipeel niya yung skin mo, nakaka-hydrate siya kasi we introduce serums, tapos may antioxidant protection. At the same time, na-extract din niya yung mga blackheads, yung mga impurities. Kasi sometimes, diba, pag nag-facial tayo, tapos we extract. Ang sakit talaga mapapaluha ka. This one, talagang nakukuha niya, pero hindi masakit. So parang very relaxed ka, tapos malamig yung serum, maganda talaga.